Welcome to LedgerX Accounting. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly create a receipt voucher, which is used to record money received from any party, such as a customer, supplier, or other ledger party, through cash or bank. You can create a new receipt either by navigating to Receipts from the bottom taskbar and clicking Add New Receipt Voucher, or by clicking the plus icon above the Receipts option, which opens the Add page directly from any screen. Once the page opens, start by selecting how the amount is received, cash or bank, and then choose the receipt date, ensuring it falls within the active financial year. Next, select the appropriate receipt number series, after which the system automatically generates the receipt number. If required, you can also enter the receipt number manually by switching the mode from auto-generated to manual in the receipt settings. If the receipt is through a bank, enter the bank reference number, such as check number or UTR for reconciliation. Then, in the Receive From field, select the relevant party and review the displayed current balance, and enter the receivable amount received. If TDS has been deducted by the party, enable Less TDS deducted by customer, and select the applicable TDS section from the drop-down, after which the system automatically calculates the TDS amount. Next, select the bank account in which the amount is credited. This is especially useful if you maintain multiple bank accounts, as it allows you to choose the correct account and view its available balance for reference. You can also add remarks in the narration field and details in the Towards field, and note that the text entered in the Towards field is displayed in the Receipt Voucher PDF. LedgerX simultaneously displays the auto-generated journal entry on the screen, allowing you to optionally review and verify the debit and credit entries before saving the receipt. You can link sales invoices or voucher balances to the receipt when the payment is received for a specific invoice, so that the payment status of those linked invoices is updated automatically. This helps keep the outstanding receivable reports accurate and supports effective and reliable accounting practices. Once all required details are completed, click Save or press Ctrl+S to post the receipt, after which the transaction is reflected in the respective party ledger, cash or bank ledger, and relevant reports for accurate tracking of incoming payments across your business. The List of Receipts page in LedgerX Accounting lets you easily view and manage all your receipt vouchers in one place. From this page, you can quickly add new receipts and open existing receipts to view, edit, preview, print, or cancel them as needed. Using the action buttons, you can also download the receipt PDF, print it, edit the voucher, or share the receipt through WhatsApp, email, or by copying the link. LedgerX also provides powerful search, sort, and filter options. Click the search icon to quickly search receipts based on column headers. Click any column header to sort data in ascending or descending order, and use the quick filter at the top right to view all active or cancelled receipts. Receipt transactions are automatically reflected in the customer ledger, accounts, and balance sheet pages, helping you track collections and maintain accurate financial records across your business. Other than this page, LedgerX also provides options to record receipts directly from the sales invoices list by clicking the Record Receipt button, as well as from dashboard pages such as balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, and trade accounts by clicking on the V icon and then selecting the receipt option. You can also view receipts for a specific customer from the Customer Transactions page. And that's a wrap for the List of Receipts tutorial. See you in the upcoming videos, where we'll walk you through the other pages and features of LedgerX accounting.